Are you ready for today's experiments?
Yeah!
Today we are going to do 3 experiments.
Hooray!
Okay, let's start the first experiment, okay? How do you blow a balloon?
By motor, by pump.
But today we are going to make the balloon blow up by itself.
Really?
Yes. Are you excited for this experiment?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. So, what is the first experiment we are going to do, Ashwat?
It's a balloon blower experiment.
Yes, it's a balloon blow up experiment. So, what do we need for this experiment?
Vinegar.
Vinegar,
Baking soda balloon.
vinegar, baking soda, balloon. Okay, let's start the experiment. Pour the vinegar into the bottle. Okay, let's add the baking soda to the balloon, okay? So, we should gently attach the balloon to the top of the bottle like this. We should make sure that baking soda should not drop into the vinegar, okay? Now, I will count to 3. You should lift the balloon upwards, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Up, up! Ooh, leave it. Look at that! Wow! Yes, look at that! Did you like it?
Yeah.
Did you like this experiment?
Yeah.
So, Ashwat, do you know what is the science behind this experiment?
When we mix the vinegar and baking soda, we will get carbon dioxide gas.
Yes, when we mix baking soda and vinegar, we get the carbon dioxide gas. The gas expands in the bottle and starts to inflate the balloon. The more gas created in the bottle, the larger the balloon will inflate, okay?
Yeah.
So that's the balloon blow up experiment. Do you like it, Ashu?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, Ashwat, are you ready for the next experiment?
Yes.
What is our next experiment?
Turmeric acid base experiment.
Yes, turmeric acid base experiment. So, what do we need for this experiment?
Turmeric
Turmeric,
and
detergent,
water and vinegar.
water and vinegar. Okay?
Yes.
First, let's add the turmeric to the water. Do you want a stirrer to mix it?
No.
Okay, let me give you. Wait. Here is the stirrer. Mix it. Mix. What is the color of the water, Ashwat?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay?
But soon it will be into red.
It will turn into red soon, okay?
Yes.
Let's add the detergent now. Mix it. Okay? The color of the water is changing. It's turning to red. Look at that. It's turning to red. Mix. See? Now the color of the water is red. Okay. Now let's add the vinegar and see what happens. Look at that. The water is now again which color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Breaking into red.
Wow, that's a colorful experiment, Ashu.
Yes.
It turned from yellow to red and from red to yellow. Look at that. In this experiment, turmeric acts as an indicator. When we mix substances like detergent, the turmeric color turns to red, indicating that the substance is a base. And when we mix substances like vinegar, the turmeric color turns back to its normal color, indicating that the substance is acidic in nature. So this is a great experiment for kids to learn about acids and bases. Do you love this experiment, Ashu?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the next experiment?
Yes.
What is our next experiment?
Raining blood experiment.
Yes, it's a raining blood experiment. So what do we need for this experiment?
Oil,
Oil,
food color, water.
food color and water, okay?
Yes.
Let's start the experiment. First, pour some food color into the oil. Open. Pour 4 to 5 drops of food color. Pour. Okay, enough. Close it. Mix it. Mix it.
Done.
Look at that. Now it's red oil. Okay, pour that mixture into the water.
Oh. God.
Does oil and water get mixed or they will get separate, Ashu?
And then the pepper.
As they get separated. Oil and water never get mixed.
Right then.
Soon we will see the food color getting separated from oil because food color is oil water soluble. So it will get separated from oil. Look at that. It looks like raining blood. The food color is getting separated from oil. What do you think, Ashu? Look at that. So here is what it happens. When we mix food color to the oil and pour that mixture into the water, oil and water doesn't get mixed. So oil stays on the top, and as the food color is water soluble, the food color gets dropped down bottom to the water and it looks like raining blood. So that's the raining blood experiment.